Hey guys, welcome back to my first video. I mean, awesome Adam Studio. So I'm just gonna tell about what happened to Adam. Adam is sick right now, so he's in the hospital. No, he didn't go in the ward. He just like fever very hot, and I don't know. So today I'm just gonna replace him, and I'm gonna do this card collection, all my cards. This is my kind of like safe money box, I guess. I guess that, but I don't know. And this button was yes. It is when it's bouncy ball, it will not kind of like expensive yet. Okay, I know the lighting is not good right now because I don't know, I'm also sick right now, but I'm not in the hospital. Okay, so now for yours. Okay, so now let's start off my card collection and my paper thing. That's good. I'm gonna start with my AR card first. All my AR first. And then next is the paper. And then the magic cards. Okay, so first thing is the AR. So I get this. It's vertical. Next is pen. Can you see? Pen. Next is yeah. Fourth card is Powerful. The fifth card is Clam Cowboy. Oh, it's the same Clam Cowboy. Have two. Oh, another Yang. Chichico. We got Baggy. Cowboy Fire. Another Bagogo. Boy, what the? I don't know why in the camera it looks like black and white. I don't know what happened. What the? And Boy bought Cyclone. Next is Boy bought Thunder. Bagaga. Ocho bought Upgrade. EY. 6. Boy bought Earthquake. Robert. Another Pokeball. Okay. Mamazilla. Second last is Ijojo. And another Pogo. That's our last card of this AR. Now we're gonna start with the paper. This is the paper. Right here we have Boy Fire. You can see it more clearly. Boy Fire. Now we got is Boy Thunder. Now it's floating. Oh wait. I'm just gonna put them in right here. Next we got is the same like Boy Cyclone. Then Robert. We get most of the twins. Bakugo and Bagaga. Then next we got this AR. Now it's the magic cards. We have Bobo right here. Clam Cowboy. Papa Zola. Fang. Crazy Little Koopa. Papa Zola again. Ocho Boy. Ijojo. Chichiku. Cici, Gopal, Gopal, Boy, Earthquake, another Ultra Boy, Bagigi, Jojo, Mama Zilla, the special card, Boy. Okay, so this is my paper card, and right now let's move on to our magic card. Yeah. Oof. Yes, oops. So right now, I'm gonna start with the shiny one. It's the last one, and I'm gonna kind of flip them like that, like 3 cards in a row. Okay. So this is what I got. 2 fangs, 1 boy. Lighting is not good. Is it good? Yeah, can. And now 1, 2, 3. We got Boy, Robot Mukalakus Robot, and Ochaboy. Now I know my points. Cards. We got Kita, Gopal, and Boy. Oops. Now we got Yaya, Kita, and Gopal. 1 card. 3 cards. Okay. Oops, I get 4. Never mind. 4 cards in a row. We got Boy, Yaya, Kita, and Fang. We get 2 Kitas. Okay, so now we get 2 Pro. Oops, sorry. We get 2 Pro, Super Pro. And yes, it's me, Koopa. I don't know how to make the voice. Ladu! Yeah. What? I got 2 more cards. Bang and Bubble Boy. So now, yeah, thanks. We get 3 cards. We get Cracker Boy, Koopa, and Cici. I'm gonna do like card 3, 4 cards. Yeah, more Chichico, more Fang, more Gopal, more Papa Zola, Jojo, Super Pro. Okay. Bye-bye, kuasa 3. Tanah Perido. Tekanan makanan. We got 2 robot Mukalakus, 1 Leo. Kau nak masuk sekolah kami? Dalam mimpi je lah. Other Leo, Magaganas, and Fang. Hush. Play to the pong. We got 5 cards. Also, what and Conquer Boy. Fang and Petai Angkasa. And also you. Now let's take another. More Kita, serious. Super new Ochaboy. It's actually not character card because if character card behind them have this. This is the character card. But I don't know, it's the magic card. Magic card is like this. It's like you can see the writing says magic card. I hope you can see it. But this one is just character card, so I'm just gonna put them in the magic cards. So punya coba. Now gotta get yeah. 4 cards. One yin, one ya, one bubble sakun, and another club. So now I'm just gonna skip like the thing. Yeah, we have one new one. Wait, so many papasala. Okay, so this is the last one. It is the Borara. Now I'm gonna introduce the shiny cards. So the first one I get is this. Why it's not shining? In the camera it's not shining, but in real life it really shines. You got a gold card. You can see this a little bit. So this is the attack. You can see life up, attack up 300. The next one that I get is flying blitz. Life up, attack up 500. This one is 300. And the last one is double ice attack. Life up, attack up 550. Favorite card ever. Favorite card ever in my life. I'll never love that card before. I love this card every time. Okay, so now we just gotta do part